All right, what we have here today, I'm doing a bit of an experiment with some tea. Yes, I'm not a big tea person. I'm all about the coffee, but I just want to see how using different minerality will affect our tea. 3 cup of coffees or 3 cup of teas I've brewed with a steep time of 4 minutes. The same tea and the same water temperature at the same time. So I've had 94-degree water at 4 minute brew time, and then I've removed the steep time from that. So we have a super low, 44 TDS. We're going to go to a low at 222 TDS, and we're our medium at our 587 TDS, all with the same tea. And first thing I really notice is the color. From the low minerality, as it goes up, the color gets darker. But we're going to have a taste and see how this really changes everything. First thing I notice from this little tasting is the lower the minerality, the more of the actual tea extraction, the tea flavor I'm getting. And so with our Voss mineral water at super low, I'm getting a nice, clean, really oolong tea, the balance, the nice warm tea that we all understand. Um, and then right to the other end of the spectrum with our Beloka at 587 TDS, I'm getting a lot more minerality flavor profile in that. Getting less tea is distinctive and more of the actual minerals coming through. Yeah, giving it definitely a lot more of the actual tea flavor than the aromas coming through and the balance there. And then here, more of the actual water, mineral water that I'm getting. So it's I believe it's probably too heavy. It's got the TDS is too high to have that. It overpowers the actual tea. And in the middle, let's have a look at this one. When I tasted it, it was sort of in between the both, but I've actually chosen the Fiji in this one. So it's actually quite high in the silica, so it has that more rounded body in there. So it's like the tea flavor, but more of a rounded body, but it's been masked by some of that silica creaminess. So if you really want a good cup of tea, stick to a low, super low to a low minerality. Maybe something between these ones, between the 44 and the 200. My suggestion, probably close around the 100, is probably what you're going to be looking for. And there's quite a lot of options in that range to make a really good cup of tea that smells and tastes like a good cup of tea. They're not overpowered by the minerals. But yeah, got that rounded texture in there. It's sort of the front of the palate is completely different to something like that. I've got a different experience in there. So that, as remember, they're all brewed the same temperature at the same time and the same steep time. That's non-drinkable. No, I just really can't enjoy that. It's too many minerals in there to actually enjoy that cup of tea. Anyway, cheers, guys.